happening? I want to go that way.
I give you fine.
Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
No, just drop. Just drop.
You want to drop
Hey, bro, how are you, man? I'm just gonna drop.
Okay,
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Bye bye.
How can I get out?
Alright.
How can I get out? Huh? Can I
From here? Go, no problem. From here?
go from there? Yeah.
No problem. Anyway.
All right. Thank you. But can I go from here?
No, you go from here. I give you fine.
Outside the bitch up in you when you walked across. I push the pump back in your homie, take a loss. I'm the light and y'all up in my shit like moss. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. I'm from the dirty V2 where you cannot cross. Outside the bitch up in you when you walked across. I push the pump back in your homie, take a loss. I'm the light and y'all up in my shit like moss. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This area, man, has lots of options, lots of things, and sheep stuff. You know, it's right next to downtown. It's a really nice, chill area. Mostly populated by the working class, and it has lots of good shit. You know, lots of food options. It's a pretty chill area. Lots of supermarket, lots of food to choose from. Oh yeah, something. I got myself a little fruit bowl. I love these fruit bowls, man. Got lots of, you know, strawberries, oranges, kiwis, pomegranate. Yeah, some other shit, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw it all in the blender and mix it. I don't know, how am I supposed to put this? How did I not bring my bag? Well, tell me who worked, please. Well, no other choice and hold it in my hands. It's annoying as shit. Well, no other choice, man. Let's get you fired up. Happening. I want to go that way. Now what? Bro, I have no idea what's going on, buddy. You know what?
Let go, baby. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. What the hell? Ah. Oh my god, what is happening today? I don't know, there's some sort of events happening in the World Trade Center. Dude, that's quite a traffic, bro. What is happening, bro? Would you look at this traffic, man? Would you look at this, bro? What the hell is this, man? Hey, Carrie. Can we pass? Can we pass? Thank you. Mesmerize yourself with some techno.
Feels like I'm socializing but without any drink. So
Why?
I'm sober. And it drains my energy.
Alright,